Python Pandas replacing header with top row. I currently have a data frame that looks like this. I'm looking for a way to delete the header row and make the first row the new header row, so the new data frame would look like this. I've tried stuff along the lines of if unnamed in df.columns column then make the data frame without the header df.to_csv new format, header equals false, index equals false, but I don't seem to be getting anywhere.
The data frame can be changed by just doing then. Should do the trick.
If you want a one-liner, you can do
another one-liner using Python swapping. This won't reset the index. Although, the opposite won't work as expected. df.columns, df equals df.ilix0, df1 column.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.